Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. So, as usual, if you're watching this in recording, you're welcome to fast forward about 5 minutes or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Gina. Yeah, it's nice, but it also looks like it's gonna rain. Just not that. And it looks like the wind is from the north. My awning is. Maybe I need to roll it up. Ooh. Good morning, Michael. I don't want to roll up the awning because it looks like it's gonna rain, or maybe it is already raining a little bit. But on the other hand, I feel like I need to roll it up because it may be the norte may be getting to it. Okay, I think I'm gonna roll it up. Doesn't look very safe. Wow, suddenly the wind is quite strong. Sorry about the sound. I should have done it before, but I didn't realize how strong the wind was. There we go. Now let's hope it's not going to rain, because if it does, then we know what happens with my setup here. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Ari. Good morning, Mariella. Good morning, Yanni, Leo, and Rosie. Wow, look at the sunrise. My goodness. Let me take it up a little bit. So pretty. But let's all wish that it doesn't rain right now in the next 15 minutes, because then it will be a mess, and I will have to probably stop because I have my computer here and everything. Anyway, it is time for us to start. And today we will dive into a very interesting embodied exploration. It's called The Edge of the Body, and it also comes from that great embodiment coach that I highly recommend, Mark Walsh. This practice emphasizes the non-separate nature of the body and open, expansive, meditative states, the oneness of everything there is. The inquiry at the heart of this practice is where you label each sensation you notice as either being inside or outside. After some time, a shift may happen where this distinction seems artificial and unnecessary. So let's explore this together. Take a comfortable position, settle in, notice your breath, allow your body to breathe and sense itself. Let your breath be soft and easy, not controlled. Select primary anchor for this practice. It may be your breath or a sensation in your body that is easy for you to come back to every time that you notice that you are not here, that your mind has wandered. Embody this moment. Inhabit it. Inhabit the space you are in. Scan your body from top to bottom or from bottom to top, doesn't matter. And as you do your scan today, notice, where do you end? Where is the edge of your body? You can actually start asking yourself, where is the edge of my body? Where do I end? And see if you can notice the very edge of the skin and feel just outside this. Notice if the edge is clear or not that clear. Soft and easy breath. Nothing is controlled. You're just inquiring. It's just an exploration. Now place your hands on your skin or just a little bit above your skin and start moving the hands, following the contours of your body. Is there a moment when you stop feeling the connection? The moment when the edge of your body is not that clear. Breathing easily and comfortably. Once again, notice all the circumstances of your practice, all the sensations, both outer and inner. And pay attention to what you label as inner circumstance or sensation or outer circumstance or sensation. What is inside me? What is outside of me? Pay attention to how you're making this distinction. And maybe after a while you start questioning this distinction between the inner and outer and viscerally feel your oneness with everything there is. Now notice your breath. Pay a little bit more attention to it without controlling it. And see if you can tell when your breath becomes you. When is your breath in and when is your breath out? Can you, without controlling anything, follow the trajectory of your breath from the moment the air in front of you becomes your breath, becomes you, and the moment your breath becomes air again, merging back into the atmosphere? Can you feel it super clearly, or is this experience a bit blurry for you? Once again, scan your body. In fact, keep scanning it over and over again, asking the same question. Where is the edge of my body? Where is the inner? Where is the outer? Where do I begin and end? Is there a clear edge? What does it feel like? I'm going to give you a few moments in complete silence to explore this, embody this. Where do I begin? Where do I end? Is there a clear edge of my body? What does it feel like? Where is the edge of my body? Do I feel it clearly, or is it blurry? What is inner? What is outer? How do I feel the distinction? As you go through your day today, notice what you label in your mind as an inner sensation versus a sensation outside of you. Is it really that clear cut? And of course, there is no answer. It's all about your personal experience. So, as always, simply have fun with this exploration. Enjoy. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.